Hey guys, I've never done a live video before, but I've seen a lot of people try the lean shake with almond milk or soy, but I've not seen anybody try it with water. For me, a true taste test would be a shake that tastes good even with water. So I would like to have something for on the go to keep in my car or in my purse in case I don't have a bar with me, or sometimes when it's hot the bar even melts in the car. So I figured I would give it a try. I'm actually in the parking lot at Walmart, so this is a true taste test. So I have my LadyBoss shaker cup with, I put the mix in the bottom of it. It smelled amazing, by the way. I actually bake cakes and cupcakes, and I love the taste of anything cake flavored. So I'm pretty excited to try this. Give it a little shake. It is, it's really hard to see in the cup, but it is just as frothy. You can see on the blender part, it is just as frothy as the ones I have seen who do it with the other milks. So let's give it a taste. It's actually not bad with just water. I mean, I'm sure it would taste a lot better with the other milks or milk substitutes. But honestly, this is definitely drinkable just with water in it. So, good to go with just water. And I'm a pretty picky person when it comes to tastes. This is definitely something I could drink with just water. So, can't wait for it to be available for everybody. Have a great evening.